Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, February 5th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro-US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Euro dollar, I mean, overall, I am definitely still bullish. I still think this is eventually going to end up turning back into an uptrend. I still think it's going to make some sort of a five-way pattern to the upside and most likely eventually take out these highs. By the looks of it, I still think it's going to be like a big expanding flat. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, we are definitely continuing this strong move to the downside. I still think this right here is very clearly a trend, like a one. I still think we are very likely in a correction to that trend, like a wave two, and I still think eventually it's going to go up and make a three, four, five of wave three or a subdivision of wave three because I think this is a one. I think this is an expanding flat wave two. I think this is a one of three, a two of three, a three of three, a four of three, and a five two of three to come. So taking it down to the daily time frame, definitely still very strong to the downside. It's starting to even look more like a trend, like a one, two, three. So I mean, it could possibly make a four or five, then a correction, and then another trend before it actually does end up continuing back up. So long story short, whether this is an ABC or whether this is just a wave A of a bigger ABC correction, either way, I am definitely still looking for sorts. I do think that it will take out this low, go at least to the 61.8 and maybe even all the way to the 78.6 before we see a bigger move to the upside. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, we did have that non-farm payroll on Friday and it did reject structure, made a perfect short for us. And we are closing below the 50% Fibonacci retracement. I mean, it does seem like a pullback probably is going to be likely at some point, I'm sure, which is great news for us because at the end of these pullbacks is where I will be looking to go short again for the continuation of the downtrend. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame, with all that higher time frame information in mind, I am definitely looking for sorts. We actually had a pretty nice little ABC correction this morning, probably better visible on like the 15 or the 30-minute time frame, but definitely still looking for sorts. Even if it does start to go up and break structure, I'm still going to be looking at that as a correction to the downtrend. I would just put my Fibonacci retracement from here to here. I'd be looking for three-way pullbacks like ABCs, maybe WXYs, some sort of a flat correction. I'd be looking for a Fibonacci bounce, a big bearish engulfing move to the downside to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. At least until like the 4 hour time frame and up tell me that this correction is over or that we are in for a bigger move to the upside. I am definitely primarily still going to continue to look for shorts in a downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.